Welcome to my channel. Verizon Fios Router Setup Tutorial, Easy Wi-Fi Configuration. Step 1. Unbox and check the router. Remove the Verizon Fios router from the box and make sure all accessories are included, such as the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect the router to the ONT. Plug the Ethernet cable from the optical network terminal, ONT, into the WAN or Internet port on the Verizon Fios router. Step 3. Power on the router. Connect the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait a few minutes until the status light becomes stable. Step 4. Connect your device. Use a computer, smartphone, or tablet to connect to the router using the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the router label. Step 5. Open the router setup page, launch a web browser and enter the router's default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1, into the address bar. Step 6. Log into the router, enter the default administrator username and password found on the router sticker or in the user manual. Step 7. Change your Wi-Fi name, go to the wireless settings section and create a custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, that is easy to recognize. Step 8. Create a strong Wi-Fi password. Set a secure password using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your network. Step 9. Save settings and reconnect. Save your changes. The router may restart, and you'll need to reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 10. Test your internet connection. Open a website or stream a video to confirm that your Verizon Fios internet connection is working properly and delivering good speeds. Thanks for watching.